Just assumed I'd play the part.
Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and to another video here today. We are going to be working on my own hands here, and I just wanted to switch up this design. I absolutely loved it and I hung on for it for about 3 weeks, I want to say, but I do have a meeting coming up soon, so I thought that I would go a little more professional or a little less flashy and out there. So I'm going to be using my finger paints gel polish in All About the Monet, and then my finger paints glitter regular polish as well. I can't remember the name of it, so I'll just leave it in the description box below. So first I'm just going to start taking off my old design with my safety carbide bit, and I'm just gonna take off the nail polish and the glitter and the marble and everything, even the striping tape with this. I didn't put it all in here because filing kind of gets boring. It's the worst part of everything, but it does set the new canvas for the new design. So once I come back, we will be all finished up and we'll move on to the next step. So I finished up filing that design off, and now I'm going to start with the acrylic application, and I'm just going to prime and dehydrate and apply acrylic, and then I'm going to use this Born Pretty latex tape, liquid latex. I don't know what it's called, but I'm just going to paint it around my nail here, and that's just because I'm going to be using a makeup sponge to apply the glitter today on the nail. It's usually how I use it with, or how I apply it with regular polish. So I'm just dabbing it on there, and then you can see it comes out really opaque, just like it looks like in the actual nail polish bottle. So after that, I'm just going to go and start painting my other nails as I regularly would with the gel polish, and then I'm just going to leave them in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to top coat them all for 30 seconds as well, and that's going to be the finished design. So once I come back, we will be looking at the final pictures.
Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
Well, there you have it. This is the finished design. I haven't put cuticle oil on my fingers yet, which I am going to here. The red was kind of messy to deal with, trying to get it out of the cuticle area. It just kind of wanted to spread everywhere instead, but I just really wanted to get on here to show you guys the way I applied this glitter, since there are a few different ways and I have covered all of them in my channel. There is burnishing with yellow stopper, you can encapsulate it in acrylic, and then you can also put it on with a wet makeup sponge if you're using the regular polish. So I hope you guys enjoy these final pictures, and I hope you guys had so much fun with me hanging out. I know I did. So I can't wait to see you guys again, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We'll see you guys later. Bye.